Tanya Wright. Welcome to my channel, the channel of Hope. So today I have with me here my dear friend Janet. She is my manicure, and she's been my manicure for the last 3 years. And now Janet has something to say. She's gonna say in Portuguese, but I'm gonna translate it. What do you have to say, Janet? We can look in there at the camera.
Oi, hoje eu fiz a unha da Tânia e pela primeira vez os dedos dela estão super relaxados. Muito bom de fazer, olha só o resultado.
So what she said, she did my nails today. For the first time, my fingers were very relaxed. And now look how beautiful my nails here. So I just want to say, the treatment is very nice. You should go. Thank you so much. Another thing, if you like my channel, please subscribe for more tips. Thank you so much, and I'm coming back. I love it. Mwah.
Bye.
So today, I want to give a testimony. It's been 15 days since I had my treatment in Canada. I have with me D with me. He's been with me 2 years and a half, and he's been helping me training. D, I would like to give me your opinion. What have you noticed since I had the treatment, please?
I think it's been great. You have a little bit more looseness with your limbs on your arm and your legs. I think before you used to walk, you couldn't really bend your knee, right? So now you have a little bit more lift in your leg because you can bend your knee.
Yes.
But you tell the audience, what else have you
Yes,
noticed?
the thing that I most notice is that if you have a stroke, it feels that you carry 1 ton in weight in your leg, and now everything just so more light, so it's much easier for me to walk. And also the sensibility pretty much came back totally on my left side. There's so much improvement in just 15 days. So now I think with therapy, I think I can make lots of improvement, and that's the goal, is to get better every day. You can too. So follow my channel that I'll give you all the tips that I have. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
Wait, hold on. Tell them about your smile.
Ah, that's right. And my smile is a way better too. Before I used to have a crooked smile, but now that I had the treatment, this process is good. So if I smile, it's a little bit better than before. It's still more work, but things are getting better. Every day is a new change. So I'm going to keep you posted of the new changes. Thank you so much. You have a great day. I love it. Mwah. So today I have with me my dear friend. Você não tá aparecendo. There she is, Christiane. I've known her for a long time. She was to be my driver. She would take me to the therapies when I was going to Sci Fit. I have not seen for a long time, and she find out about my treatment. She came to visit me, so I'm going to talk to her about my treatment. Thank you. So this is Christiane.
Hello guys, we are here today with Tanya, and I have a few questions for her. I haven't seen her in a while, and I'm very happy to see the improvements that she has made, and I'm very curious to know how was your experience during this treatment, and where did you go to find this doctor who has done so much for you?
Yeah, so I went to Canada, Victoria is the city. It's close to Vancouver. You have to get I don't know how to say it, a ferry to go there. But I found out this treatment about a guy that I follow online, an Australian guy who had a podcast, and he's from Australia. So he told me about it. I heard, so I'm always trying to find something to make me feel better, because I had reached, I stagnated. I reached a plateau, and then I kept exercising, and I think the physiotherapy is great, but I was not progressing. I was very frustrated. So until I found out about this guy, and then I went after, so I found out about, so I made an appointment with Dr. Paul Winston, and I went there January 13th. So it's been about a month that I had the treatment. So it's been very good. So the treatment, I think, was a success. There's no comparison what I was before or I'm now. 17 years, 15 years, 16 years post-stroke, the treatment I had in a month I had so much progress. It's just amazing. I strongly recommend this treatment for everybody who had a stroke. Unfortunately, we don't have this available in the States yet, but eventually people are going to find out about it, and they're going to bring this to the United States of the country. So I strongly recommend that.
And what is the name of the treatment?
It's called, it's a treatment to treat spasticity, which is this force that we have is involuntary. So when you have this treatment, it is the freezing of the nerves, a technology that he learned recently. So he developed there. So they're doing treatment in Canada. So my left side was completely paralyzed when I had the stroke. So I didn't have a lot of like, I could not.
The range of motion.
Range of motion, very limited. And also one thing that I had, like, I had this heaviness on my left side. To walk is like, as if I was carrying like 1 ton. After the treatment, everything is light. So I'm able now to lift my leg, so my knee, so it makes much easier to walk. And that's been a life change. I love to travel, I love to walk a lot. So this is gonna be very nice for my future. It's not a cure, but still like very, very good for anybody who had a stroke.
That's nice that you bring this hope to all
Yes.
other people who has had similar challenges. And during the treatment, how was it? Was it? Can you tell us a little bit more?
Yes.
Or during the treatment, how it was?
Sure. So he has a ultrasound by himself after he did an evaluation of my body, like the nerves that he's going to attack, and he also has an ultrasound. So he has like a needle. It's kind of scary. It's big. It's like COVID kind of, because he needs to go deep in the nerve to freeze the nerve. So I was lucky because I had left neglect, so I could not feel anything on my left side. So for me, I didn't feel any pain. But if you plus I don't have sensation. But if you have sensation, you might have some discomfort. But who cares? It's worth it. With pain, without pain, I think it's worth it. I would do it. Even if I feel my whole body, I would do it because the improvement is just wonderful. So I had absolutely no sensation on my entire left side, but now a month later, I'm glad to tell you that my sensation came back in my entire left side. And now I can feel my face, I can feel my hand, I can feel this whole part is non-existent.
It's alive again.
Now it's alive again. So now I think that now that it's back, so with therapy now I can definitely make more progress and I'm going to reach my goal of having my movement back. It's just a matter of time, but it's going to happen. And I always knew that if you don't have sensibility, it's very hard for you to regain movement because you don't know in your brain where the limb is. So how am I going to tell my hand to move if I don't know what it is? So now the best thing, now I have conscious of my body. I know exactly on my left side. So now I can train, I can send instructions to the body because now, but only after this treatment. I've done so much thing in the past, nothing like this. So, he goes deep in the nerve. I guess that's why it makes a big difference. So somehow I work up my nerve. So now I'm alive again.
That's nice. That's really nice to hear and see your improvements.
Yes.
And when will be the next time you're going to be traveling to Canada to do this treatment again?
Yeah, my doctor said that it's really not necessary because he did everything. He touched me, I think 30 nerves all over. I had bruises all over my body because of course. First, I take blood thinners, so I'm very used to bruise. Plus, he dig very, very inside. So then I have bruise, but now it's all gone. So I don't care about the bruise. You should not care either.
Okay, that's good to know. Any other message of hope you have for our listeners or
so
our watchers?
I want to say that. So now I can feel my left side. My smile got better because I had here a lot of spasms. Now it's better. There's so many improvements. The best thing now, I can feel the floor. When I walk, I can step and I can feel the floor. So now they made me walk a lot better.
That's incredible. Thank you so much for sharing with me your experience and bringing this message to all these people who have been going through similar challenges and wants to find out more about what they can do to make their lives better.
So I want to tell you, there is always hope. I never stop searching. So you have to search. So now I'm giving everything right there for you. I will give, if you sign up to my channel, you're gonna have all the information of the doctor there, so you can contact the doctor. I make it easy for you. And now I have my YouTube channel, Tania's Glimpse of Hope. I bring every day or every other day, like tip of the day. I'm sharing with you all the things that made me improve. With equipment, things that made my life easy can make your life easier too. Thank you very much. I love you. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Okay, one thing that I want to be very clear, this is not a cure. You know, I don't think there's cure for this. You know, once the neurons were destroyed, I don't think there's a cure, but this is just an improvement. You know, after you have like the nerve are alive again, so you can make improvement, you can stretch, and then things will get better. So it's not a cure at all, but I strongly recommend you to do it. No, you know, these are all my findings. You know, you're welcome to do your research. I was very impressed with the doctor. I think it's a good thing. I think, you know, we should definitely spread this word because it's very important. I lived with the hope for many years. I had a lot of depression, it was horrible. But now that I had a little hope that this thing can make me improve a little bit, so everything changed for me. So now I'm a new person. I'm so happy that I'm able to help other people. Thank you very much. Okay, so one of the improvements that I really felt when I had the treatment is that now my whole left side was very cold, ice cold. Now it's very warm. So my hands are warm, my leg is warm. So this is a big difference. In my opinion, I have now blood circulation, and blood is life. So I'm glad to see that it's moving up and down. So I'm happy about that. And also I want to say that you cannot give up. You have to keep working out, even if you're depressed, because if my muscles were not strong enough, I was not going to have the results that I have. So you have to keep going, pushing through. With depression, or keep exercising. Another thing that I want to say is that I'm very glad that I'm Brazilian, because Brazilians, there's no giving up.
Brazil!
I was going to find a way to solve the problems. That's what I found. Thank you. I love you. So carry one of my improvements. You know, I told you that I have a lot of sensation on my left side, but I can feel now my breast. Before I could never feel my breast. I can feel my bird cage. You know, this is good because I think now my posture is better, because before I did not have the notion of my back of my body, just the front. So now I can feel the back of my body when I walk. And also my knee has improved a lot. I have a lot more control on my knee. It's not collapsing like it used to.
Looks like you have a lot more control with your leg now. Why are you laughing?
You're funny. I had absolutely no hamstring before. Look at this. Ooh, that's beautiful.
Got lift up. How about kick back?
Like a horse. How is it?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Better than you've ever been. And up. And up.
My dog is licking my hand. For the first time, I can feel it now. Before I could. Is there an improvement or what? My sensation is coming back, and I am coming back. I love you. I love you, Max. I love Dr. Paul Winston. I love you, life. Thanks for everything. I can also straighten up my leg. Before I couldn't, so I had hours it was bent. So now, and the exercise, I noticed that my legs are straight. And also, I can feel my ear. Before, I could not feel my ear. So this is so good now. I feel really good. So today, this talk is about gratitude. I'm very thankful that I had my treatment in Canada. I'm thankful for Dr. Paul Winston, who helped me a lot. It was a success. Now I can give hope to my followers. So I'm very happy about that. And also, I'm in peace of my body. So I want to say that. And also, I'm very thankful that I small things in life, I learn how to appreciate the sun, the smile of a child, the nature. So I'm very thankful for all of it. Thank you so much.